Deep in the cold vacuum of space lies the most violent magnet in the universe. Meet the Magnetar, a hyperdense dead star born from a colossal supernova explosion. Though they are only about 12 miles wide, their magnetic fields are a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. If a Magnetar somehow drifted into our solar system and parked where the moon is, the consequences would be terrifying. Its immense magnetic grip would instantly wipe out every credit card on Earth, shatter our global power grids, and disrupt all digital communications. Even worse, at a fundamental level, the magnetic force would violently distort the atomic structure of your body, dissolving your cells into nothingness. Are you ready to explore these cosmic monsters? Subscribe to AstroShayan as we journey into the darkest, most dangerous corners of the cosmos.